Standing bicep curls. Now my tubing is on the very last hinge, just below that hinge on the side of my door. For reference, I have 20 pounds. I'm going to put my back to the door. I'm going to stand with my feet shoulder width apart, my chest forward, my hips forward. Slight bend in my knee. Hips are still forward though. Curl, hold, 2, 3, and release. Precision points. My elbows are staying by my side. Everything is staying forward. My only thing moving are my arms. This is what I don't want. A lot of people will stick their butt out and do it. Nope, not you. Bend your knees, proper form. Keep the elbows by the side and release. Curl and release. Nice and slow. 2 counts up, 2 counts down. Standing bicep curl resistance band.